My name is Vaishnavi Rote. We are Team Power Riders from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are presenting a case study on electrifying progress, revolutionizing customer experience and market leadership for the future of electric scooters. Let me first introduce our team, Harshada Bhure, Aishwarya Tekade and Vaishnavi Khade. In this case study, we have identified 8 key questions and we will be explain each one in detail. First question is, the company wants to do an analysis of the app and what it need to improve it. Mind map the top 10 features you would want in the app for the electric scooter and explain which are the top 5 features which would be the most useful and why. So top 10 feature for the new electric scooter app. So first is real-time battery status and smart alerts. Second feature is accurate range estimator. Third feature, live GPS navigation with Google Map integration. Next feature is document upload and digital storage. Next, remote lock and unlock and anti-theft tracking. Next feature is service booking and vehicle health diagnosis. Next, user-friendly intuitive UI with personalization option. Next feature is charging station locator with availability info, trip history and ride analytics. And last feature is push notification for low battery, maintenance reminder and software updates. Top 5 features and why they matter most. So first feature is real-time battery status and smart alerts. It means prevent surprises by notifying users about battery life, boosting confidence while riding. So second feature is live GPS navigation with Google Maps. It means provide seamless, efficient navigation in busy cities, adding convenience and values. Third feature is easy access. It means a smooth, intuitive design with fewer steps makes the app user-friendly and enjoyable. Top 5 features and why they matter most. So first feature is real-time battery status and smart alerts. It means prevent surprises by notifying users about battery life, boosting confidence while riding. Second feature is live GPS navigation with Google Maps. It means provide seamless, efficient navigation in busy cities, adding convenience and value. Third feature is easy access. It means a smooth, intuitive design with fewer steps and make the app user-friendly and enjoyable. Fourth feature is charging station locator with availability info. So it means easiest ranges anxiety by helping users find availability charging stations when needed. Fifth feature is remote lock or anti-lock and anti-theft tracking. So it means enhances security and gives users control over their scooters, reducing theft risk. So second question is, what are some of the design considerations you would have for designing the storage feature and what all will you need to consider for security of the document while designing the architecture. So let's start with the key element for delivering a seamless user experience. So first is simple upload flow. It means the document upload process should be fast and intuitive. Users should be able to upload documents like their license, insurance, and registration with just 2 to 3 taps. This makes the process smooth, minimizing friction. Second is supported file types. It means people scan and save document in various formats. So the app needs to support common file types such as JPEG, PNG, and PDF. This ensures that user can upload their documents without compatibility issue. Third is auto categorization. It means to make things easier for user, the app should have the ability to auto categorize uploaded document. For example, the app should recognize common document like a driver license or insurance and automatically label them. Additionally, the app should allow user to manually tag document to help with organization. Fourth is dashboard integration. It means finally riders should have easy access to their document directly through the scooter's tablet, especially during traffic check or when they need to provide information quickly. This integration ensures that user can keep their important documents safe but easily accessible when needed. Security consideration for document storage architecture. Now let's shift to the security of this document. When designing this feature, we need to ensure both privacy and protection. So for that we use end-to-end encryption, second user authentication and access control, then role-based access, backup and redundancy, data privacy compliance, and synchronize across devices.
So next move toward the third question. List the potential reasons for any two of the issues which customer have complained about and write the test scenario you would use to test and ensure they have been fixed. First complaint is the charge runs out suddenly without warning. There are the potential reasons. Battery calibration might be offered under load. Second one is no smart alerts for low battery. Customers have reported that the battery dies without warning. This could be due to poor battery calibration under stress, like going up hills, or a lack of smart alerts when the battery is currently low, critically low sounds. Then the second one is test scenarios to fix. First one is simulate drops from 20% to 0% to trigger alerts at key points. Second one is stress tests on rough roads with low battery. Third one is compare predicted versus actual range. In this test case, we stimulate real drops in battery from 20% to 0%, checking if alerts are triggered at critical levels. We also stress test the system on rough terrain to see if sudden drop occurs. And finally, we compare the predicted range to the actual performance to ensure accuracy to targeting less than 5% error. Then the next complaint is the app is hard to use and confusing. This is the another major concern is that user finds the app confusing. These are potential reasons. First one is crowded layout, unclear icons. Second one is too many steps to access key features. Likely cause including a cluttered layout, unclear icons, and too many steps just to get to core features. The next one is test scenarios to fix. First one is run real user usability test. Second one is ensure key actions are true tapes from the home screen. Third one is test reliability, button size, and accessibility. Fourth one is check clarity of error messages. To ensure we conduct usability testing with real users. We ensure that important actions can be completed within 2 taps from the home screen. We also test visual clarity, button sizing, and accessibility to improve the overall experience. Next, move toward the fourth question. Fourth question is use the inside out and outside in technique of releasing a product to the market and list the top 5 things you would do in inside out planning to release the new app to the market and the outside in planning for releasing the new app. To ensure a successful launch, we use both inside out and outside in strategy. Inside out means preparing internal, our system, team, and tools. Outside in means viewing things from the user perspective, how they experience the app. Let's next move toward the inside out planning. First one is finalize core feature and fix issues. We make sure all core features like battery alerts, navigations, and document handling are reliable. Next one is internal team testing, means alpha testing. Our engineers and product teams use the app intensively for 1 2 weeks to spot bugs. Then third one is train supports and sale teams. We train the supports and sale teams who they can guide users post launch without frictions. Then the fourth one is set up infrastructure. Uh, in this, we scale our backend to support 10%, 10x and 10x traffic and enable fast, secure, and snack. Then the fifth one is launch planning. We prepared a versionized rollout starting with 10% of users to monitor performance. Next, we see the outside in planning. Now, In this, what our user want and how we show up to them. First one is launch campaign on pain points. We focus our messaging on the biggest pain points we fix, like better battery management and UI simplicity. Then second one is gather earlier feedback, means beta testing. We collect real user feedbacks and make final adjustment before the public launch. Third one is demo videos and tutorials. We release easy to follow videos and tutorials to help users quickly adapt features like document upload and route navigation. Then fourth one is app store optimization and rating boost. In this, we optimize onboarding and highlight key features to boost ratings and reviews. Then the last one is community engagement and support channel. In this, we stay active on the forums and social media and provide real-time support or via chat or chatbot. Next, combining these two strategies ensure our launch is not only technically sound but also customer ready. So next slide will explain by Harshada.
So we will move to the fifth question. So fifth question is, best on the list of 10 features you have selected, do the relative priority exercise to mark them from P1 to P2, and then from 1 to 10 explain what you have decided those priorities. But we have selected only 7 features. The first feature is a real-time battery alerts. The priority goes is first priority. The rank is 1. And the second feature is smarter and faster sign with scooter. The priority for this feature is first priority. And third feature is a user friendly initiative UI. The priority is first priority for this feature. Fourth feature is document upload and storage. The priority is second priority. And fifth feature is a ride history and statistics. So priority is second priority for this feature. Sixth feature is the charging station locator. The priority for this feature is a first priority, and the seventh feature is the voice assistant integration. So priority is second for this feature. Move to the sixth question. The question is, the company is collecting the data in the cloud already but have had performance issue to update, collect the data and update the app. What can be the reasons for that, and what will need to be improved for the data integration from the vehicle to the cloud and to send data post analysis to the app? So answer is the first issue is cloud performance issue. So the reasons for that issue is, first one is the inefficient data sign between vehicles and cloud. Second issue is the high latency or low bandwidth connectivity. And third issue is the poor database query optimization. And fourth issue is lack of real-time processing infrastructure. And fifth issue is overloaded or underscaled cloud services. So for these are the reason behind the cloud performance issue. So these are the improvements needed for the cloud performance issue. So first improvement is the implement edge computing for faster local processing. Second improvement is the optimized data pipelines and use message queues, example MQTT and Kafka. Third improvement is the use scalable and cloud infrastructure, example auto scaling and caching. Fourth improvement is enhanced database indexing and query efficiency. Fifth improvement is enable real-time analytics using lightweight ML model. So seventh question will explain by Vaishnavi.
The seventh question is, the company would like the app to have intelligence and provide recommendation to the driver. What kind of data should the app collect from the vehicle, and what kind of recommendation can be done? Is there a possibility to use ML and or AI for this analysis? And if so, what can be the use cases? So to answer this, we are focusing on three main things: what data to collect, what smart recommendation we can give, and how AML can help. So data to collect from the vehicle include battery health and charging cycle, speed, distance and braking pattern,
ride history and terrain type, real-time GPS and traffic info, and maintenance logs and fault codes. So this data help the app to understand vehicle's condition and how it's being used. Based on this data, we can give smart recommendations like suggesting the best time and location for charging, sending reminders for preventive maintenance, recommending efficient routes, and the giving advice on safe driving habits. So alerting the driver about any abnormal behavior in the vehicles. So now let's look at the AML use cases. So first is the predictive maintenance using past data. Second is smart battery uses analytics. Third is personalized ride suggestions. Fourth is recognize driving patterns, and fifth is detecting unusual behavior for safety. So yes, using machine learning and AI can really improve the intelligence of the app and make the driving experience smarter and safer. So the eight questions is the product solutioning goals, features, and UI exchanges. So use the product solutioning concept and create a mind map for new version of the vehicle, explaining the goals, feature, UX changes, and UI changes, if any you want to target in the scope. So here is a full solution plan with goal, UX and UI improvement, and new feature to add. So the core goals. So improve user satisfaction by fixing comfort app and battery usage. So achieve zero key issues in the first 3 months. Move from 4th to 2nd the market in 1 year. Increase sales by 50% in 6 months and change from the 10% loss to 10% profit per scooter. So UI exchanges. UX means user experience, make action faster and easier, show real-time updates for battery speed and the documents. Third is the add smooth navigation in both the app and the vehicle screen. Fourth is send clear and useful notification. And fifth is make onboarding friendly for new users. So the key features to add or improve. So smart battery alerts with real-time notification, fast charging under 4 hours, a tablet dashboard with Google Maps integration, document upload on viewing in the app and dashboard, built-in navigation system and lightweight design to match competition. A new user-friendly app that is fast and rich in feature, cloud integration for sensing vehicle data to the app. So then the user interface changes. First is use a clean and simple design, high contrast color for better visibility, bigger buttons and text for easier reading, icons and tooltips for the guidance, and the last is options for dark mode. So all these changes will help to create a smart, modern and user-friendly vehicle experience. Thank you.